Okay, today we're going to take a look at how to use NoodleTools. First thing you need to do is be in your mail, and then you're going to go to the waffle, go down and click on NoodleTools. Okay. If it's your first time, it may ask you to give some information, but if you log in with your Google account, then it should automatically log you in. But we've already done that. So now we're going to create a new project. Okay, and let's call it My Hero. And I've already done this before, so Terry Fox is my hero. Citation style, MLA, and for the level, we're going to do junior. Okay, so just click submit. Okay, and it's going to bring you up on the dashboard. You can pretty much ignore that. We're going to go right to sources. Okay, and you know this is your project because it will be titled right up here. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do here is to add in your sources, and for that we're going to use a couple of sources. First, we're going to go to the middle school library. So if you go to the link and then log into the library, then we're going to look at Encyclopedia Britannica. Okay, and we'll do middle for middle school. Okay, and you can click on articles or biographies, it's up to you, or you can just do a search and it will give you all the articles for that person. So I'm going to do Terry Fox. Okay, and there's only one article. Okay, with Encyclopedia Britannica, there's a couple of interesting features. The one is the reading level. So it's set right now on level 2, which is about medium or average. Level 3 gets rid of the image and it makes the text, the vocabulary a little bit more challenging. And level 1 kind of simplifies things. It puts the picture back in and it gives headings, so it breaks it down a little bit easier for you to read. I'm going to leave it at level 2. And the other feature, though, that we really need for this is the citations. So that's this little check mark here. When you click on it, it automatically generates a citation. Okay, so what you're going to do is you are going to just click on that or highlight it and copy it. Okay, and then we're going to go back to our NoodleTools. Okay, so again, we're in the Sources tab. You're going to create a new citation. Encyclopedia Britannica is a database, so you're going to click on Database. Original content in database, and then I'll take you to this window that looks a little complicated, but you can ignore this because we're going to do a quick cite here. So you copy and paste, you click on that, and then you do, in this box you actually do copy and paste. Okay, so this is the information that we got from Encyclopedia Britannica's citation there. Okay, once you've done that, just click on save. Okay, and you can see this is one of your citations. Now, I only had one article in Encyclopedia Britannica, so I do need to look elsewhere. I've already done a little Google search here, and this is one article about Terry Fox that I found that I think I can use. So, for an online article, we need to use EasyBib. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you are going to copy the URL of your website here, or your web page. Then again, we're going to go back to the middle school library and click on EasyBib. Okay. Now, if you are going to be doing more than one source, you do need, and you have an ad blocker, you do need to pause it. Okay. Otherwise, it will ask you to make a donation. Okay. So anyway, now we are going to click on this. I only want to create citations. Okay. And here it is a website, so here our source, you're just going to add in the URL, and then there's going to be a few orange buttons you're going to click. The first was the site that you saw, and then it gathers whatever information it needs. Then you're going to click Cite again. Okay, it gives you some information, just hit Continue. Okay, and don't worry about adding in any additional information, just go down to complete citation. Okay, and here you go. This is the citation. You can see I've done this a few times now. Okay, so again, we're just going to repeat the steps that we did before, and you're going to copy the citation there. Go back to NoodleTools, and we're going to create a new citation. Okay, this time it is from a website, so make sure you click on website, web page, come up with that complicated page again, but again, we're going to ignore everything and just do the quick cite, copy and paste it, and save. Okay, so now we're back in our sources. You can see I've got 2 sources here to get started with. Okay, so that's it for starting NoodleTools and for adding in your sources. Okay, we will look at actually how to create and use your note cards in the next video.